Welcome everyone to Zoof Kids. Today, we're diving into the magical world of sea animals. Are you ready to embark on this underwater adventure with me?
Yes!
Come, and let's explore the ocean's most amazing creatures.
Dolphin. First up, it's the dolphin. Did you know that dolphins are incredibly smart? They love to jump and play, and they can even talk to each other using special clicks and whistles. How cool is that? Whale. Next, we have the whale. Whales are the biggest animals in the ocean, and they can sing beautiful songs underwater. They love to splash with their huge tails and go on long migrations across the seas. Here comes the shark. Sharks are super cool and have lots of teeth for catching fish. They're amazing hunters and can swim fast. Don't worry, most sharks are not dangerous to humans. Sea turtle. Look, it's a sea turtle. Sea turtles are like underwater superheroes with their shiny, protective shells. They swim fast and can live for many years. Octopus. Meet the octopus. Octopuses are so cool with their 8 arms. They can change colors to hide from predators and are super smart. They can even solve puzzles. Squid. Next up is the squid. Squids have long bodies and tentacles with suckers to catch their food. If they need to escape, they can squirt ink and swim away really fast. Jellyfish. Here comes the jellyfish. Jellyfish look like floating blobs with long, wiggly tentacles. Even though they don't have brains, they can still defend themselves with their stingers. Sea lion. Say hello to the sea lion. Sea lions have flippers that help them swim super fast, and they can even walk on land. They make funny barking sounds too. Starfish. Look, it's a starfish. Starfish have 5 arms and can regrow them if they lose one. They move slowly but are great at hiding on the ocean floor. Crab. Next, we have the crab. Crabs have hard shells and walk sideways with their big claws. They love to dig and hide in the sand. Seahorse. Check out the seahorse. Seahorses have curly tails to grab onto things and look like tiny horses. The coolest part is that the daddy seahorses carry the babies. Clownfish. Meet the clownfish. Clownfish are super colorful and fun. They live in sea anemones and don't get stung. They're famous because of the movie Finding Nemo. Stingray. Look at the stingray. Stingrays have flat, wide bodies that glide through the water like they're flying. They have a long tail with a stinger for protection. Lobster. Next up is the lobster. Lobsters have big claws and long antennae to help them find food. They can live for a long time, even over 50 years. Manatee. Say hello to the manatee. These gentle giants are also called sea cows because they love to graze on plants underwater. They can hold their breath for up to 20 minutes. Eel. Check out the eel. Eels look like long, slimy snakes but are fish. Some eels, like the electric eel, can even produce electricity. Lionfish. Here comes the lionfish. fins that look like a lion's mane. But watch out, those spines are venomous. Manta ray. Look at the manta ray. Manta rays have enormous, flat bodies that glide gracefully through the water. They are the acrobats of the ocean, often seen doing flips and spins. Coral. Check out the coral. Corals might look like plants, but they are made up of tiny animals called polyps. Coral reefs are home to many sea creatures and are incredibly important for the ocean. Clam. Last but not least, we have the clam. Clams live buried in the sand and have two shells that close tightly to protect themselves. Some clams can live for over 100 years.
Wow, that was an incredible underwater adventure. We've learned so much about these amazing sea animals. And don't forget to join us next time for more exciting explorations on Zoof Kids. Keep exploring and stay curious. Bye-bye.